subir aquí, abrir este cover, y vamos a ver si el trap. The trap is right there, the house trap.
Oh, está cerca ya.
Yeah, it's literally right here. That might just be that. You see that pipe right here? That's the house trap right here. And this over here looks like the drain coming from here. We're gonna find that in a second.
What's happening, mi gente? Wepa, guys, here with the HVAC Papi himself, Louis the Boiler Man. Guys, we're here in Queens, New York, and we're here getting ready to do a drain cleaning. So, guys, you guys can see it's a storm drain, and these storm drains usually get clogged up with debris. It could be leaves, it could be ass hairs, it could be pelitos, whatever you want to call it, pelo de nalga. It does not matter, but it gets stuck inside the drain, guys, and we have to clean it out, and nobody does it. This is part of annual maintenance, preventive maintenance in your home, especially like in the fall time when you're dealing with the leaves with the gutters, right? Well, the same thing is inside what's happening inside this actual drain. So the good thing is the house trap is right here. My hunch is just it's clogged up in this area. We won't know. So first thing is first, guys, we got to remove the water. And once we remove the water, we're gonna have to actually have a visual and see what's under that. We don't know. The good thing is it is draining, but very, very, very slow. So my hunch is it's just really jammed up, and since nobody cleans it, hey, guess what? It's full of shit. So right now we're gonna take care of it. So guys, stay tuned, and I'll show you what it is to do drain cleaning. That's right. You ready, guys? I'm ready. Wepa.
Ya llegó el aire. Esa casa está caliente. Estoy sudando toda la gente. Solo llama a Louis. Ya llegó el aire. Louis, 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 Louis.
Accumulation and even like the landscaping. The
Something. Take a look at this. That looks like it came out somebody's ass. Ugh, mierda. Really what it is all the debris you find in the street. That's landscaping, meaning like dirt, grass, dust, mierda, caca, shit, whatever you want to call it. Also, it's been plugged up for quite a while, right? So guys, take a look. And nobody cleans it. You're supposed to clean it. So this is why I tell you, it's imperative, it's important. I cannot stress enough. I don't know what else to tell you that how important it is to do your preventive maintenance, especially when you own a home. So guys, whenever you own a home, you want to do these things because they're going to cost you a lot of money. And I'm not the big bad wolf, but yes, I may look that way, but I'm actually just a messenger and telling what the problem is, and I could give you the solution. But to save you some money, guys, just take my word for it. I'm telling you, I'm a homeowner myself. I deal with these headaches day in, day out. I deal with people that have these headaches, and all you got to do is put a little TLC, a little love. That's right, guys. Put a little love in your house. Clean it just like you clean yourself every single day. Well, your house needs some love. It needs some cleaning. Spring cleaning. We're in spring right now, and that's exactly what we're doing. Stay tuned. Wepa.
do it. All right, guys, so we're gonna use an auger first because it's easier. The pipe, actually, I can see it from here. It's coming from the top of the trap this way. It's a short run, maybe 3 or 4 feet. So we're gonna use this. On the side here. Oh, I gotta find the hole, baby. Gotta find the hole. All right, let's see. All right, here you go. Good thing I was able to find the hole. All right, so now I'll put this in here. Woohoo! Feel it already. It's a little hard to turn this, but I feel it already because I feel it's going through. So you can only imagine how much accumulation is in there, and it has to be cleaned in quite some time, right? Oh yeah, it's going in there. Woohoo! Damn. Wow. Oh shit! I got it, baby! Here we go. Woohoo! This is what you don't want when you're 50 years old plus, right? Check the prostate. Not fun. No bueno. Right. I got dual resistance now. I feel that snake going through. So now I know I penetrated. That's right. Penetrated through the obstruction. So guys, as soon as we just finish snaking this out, we're gonna take the hose and we're gonna hose it down and just make sure that the water flows through. But the beauty about this whole job is right here. That's it. See that pipe right here? That's it right here. The other thing is we want to make sure we stick a snake in there far enough that it goes through this elbow. Why? Because usually most of the time the problem is right inside here. The problem also was it was accumulation. However, we're going to go through accumulation But usually when there's an obstruction, it's because it's at the elbow. So that's exactly what we're gonna do. So we're gonna take another snake. That's right, my long snake, and we're gonna put it right inside there. We're gonna clean her up and get her going. All right, let's go. Let's get it.
Llama a New York Caldero.
It's Louis the Baller Man, your HVAC Papi, straight from New York Boiler and Air Conditioning Repair. If you're feeling hot this summer, New York Boiler keep it cool all summer long. Wepa!
Louis, 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 Louis.
What the fuck is that?
Residuos de comida.
Ok, vamos a usar el otro culebra. Parece que está trabajando, pero.
Hey Lou, can I ask you a question?
Right.
What if you take the nozzle off and just snake the
We are gonna do
hose,
that.
the hose inside?
We're gonna do that after we snake this, and then we're gonna do it again.
Ok, apáguelo porque esta cosa no sirve.
En general, va a poner tu casa a enfriar. Cuando hace calor afuera, el aire no vas a parar. Fuego, fuego, llama a New York Caldero. Fuego, fuego, llama a New York Caldero.
It's Louis the Baller Man, your HVAC Papi, straight from New York Boiler and Air Conditioning Repair. If you're feeling hot this summer, New York Boiler keep it cool all summer long. Wepa!
Louis, 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 Lou. Louis, 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 Lou. Oh, I'm the boiler man. Oh, I'm the boiler man. Louis, 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 Lou. ¡Huepa! Esa casa está caliente, estoy sudando toda la gente. Solo llama a Louis, ¡guau! Ya llegó el aire. Esa casa está caliente, estoy sudando toda la gente.
All right, guys, you just finished watching the video, so we had to do a couple of techniques. So we used the auger. It is a toilet auger, and some people say, well, it's only for toilets. No, not necessarily. It's made and designed for toilets, but in a case like this, guess what? Where the spot was located, sometimes the auger does the better job than the sink, believe it or not. But I used the auger first because there was so much accumulation and dirt and shit inside there that the snake will actually bind up. So we use the auger first, and then we use the snake, and of course we flushed down water. And we felt the penetration, we felt it, and then we got right through, which is a good thing. So that's years of accumulation. Also, it's a great day because my apprentice is learning. Because hey, the only way you're gonna learn is by doing it yourself, right? So I had him in the trenches. I told him to do it. You gotta get done. Listen, I told him you gotta like feel the spot, feel the G spot. You gotta feel it, play with it. You know what I'm saying? Pop, 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 pop. So guys, it's practice. Practice makes perfect. Just like practice makes perfect. Well, the same thing goes with the snake. So we have a long snake. And we have a long enough snake that we could penetrate through the hole, which is exactly what we did. So guys, it's springtime. Do your spring clean now, but it's never too late to do it in the spring, in the summer, in the winter, in the fall. It doesn't matter. Just to know that if you have a problem, you can always call Louis the Baller Man, the HVAC Papi, and we're one phone call away, 516-377-5200, here to drain your pipes and clean your pipes. Ladies, huepa.
¿Por qué dijo huepa despacio?
Mi gente. Woo! Wah! All right, good thing we got it going. Everything is good. Let's wrap everything up. Not all the times it's that easy.
Primer trabajo que hago con eso, Primer trabajo que hago con
The
eso.
trap or anything?
What happened?
You have to take the plug.
No, we didn't have to take. I thought we were gonna have to, but we didn't have to take out the plug because you could feel it in the snake, and it went through. And I also took out the snake to have like a ballpark of a measurement of how far, because I know the run is only about like 4 feet, let's just say. Yeah. So I got 4 or 5 feet. If I got 5 feet, I know already past that little hump, which means the elbow. Because that snake has to go through the elbow. It's not gonna go straight, so you gotta have to play with it in order to pass the elbow. So we felt it. We also, like I said, took out the snake and we measured more or less, and we figure out that from here to there is maybe like 4 feet. We have about 5 to 6 feet of snake. So we already know that it's safe to say that we already passed that elbow, and she's clear. And of course, we put water flush out the actual pipe and it's going down. So that's a great thing. So now when it starts raining, because it's springtime, so it's rainy season. Also in the summertime, you get these torrential downpours. We want to make sure that none of this water seeps into her ground floor apartment because water causes damage and we don't want that. Of course, since this is the lowest point, all the accumulations will stay right here and we don't want that.
Louis, 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 Lou. Louis, 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 Lou. Oh, I'm the boiler man. Oh, I'm the boiler man. Louis, 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 Lou. Fuego, fuego, llama New York Caldero. Fuego, fuego, llama New York Caldero. New York boiler en general.
Mi gente, it's Louis the Boiler Man, and I am your Boiler Man. Wepa! I'm the Boiler Man, that's what I am. And I'm here to fix whatever I can. If you're getting cold and you're feeling blue, call New York Boiler and I'll be there for you. I wanna heat